Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute birthday cake. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw the candles. 1, 2. 3 candles standing tall on top. Next, let's add some juicy cherries. Just like this pop. Now, here comes a big chocolate star. Yummy. Let's keep going. Time to draw some sweet strawberries and fluffy cream dollops. 1 strawberry to strawberries. 3 and 4. Wow, this cake is getting tastier. A birthday cake needs layers, right? Let's draw the big bottom layer now. And what's missing? Oh, let's give our cake a cute, happy face. 2 bright eyes and a big smile adorable. Now, it's time to outline our drawing with a black marker to make everything stand out. Time to color. First, let's color the candles. I'll use red, yellow, and pink. The cherries will be bright red, and so will the strawberries. Do you love birthday cakes? I do. They are so fun and delicious. Now, let's add some more colors. Green, yellow for our big star. Brown for the fluffy cream. Let's add some light brown. And now for the best part, rainbow colors. Orange. For the bottom layer, I'll color it just like the top layer full of rainbow magic. Ta-da! This birthday cake looks so cute, doesn't it? But wait, we're not done yet. Next, let's draw and color a yummy strawberry jam and bread. Are you excited? Let's start drawing. First, I draw a piece of bread soft and fluffy. Right here, I'll add a sweet strawberry boop. And, of course, we need a jar of strawberry jam yum. Let's add a heart right here, because food made with love always tastes better. But something is missing. Oh, let's give them cute faces. Now, our bread, jam, and strawberry all have happy smiles. Time to outline everything to make it pop. Now, let's color. First, I'll use pink for their rosy cheeks. The heart shape will be bright red. Let's color the strawberry and the jar of jam. Wow, it looks so tasty. bread, I'll use dark yellow to make it look crispy and golden. Wow, our drawing is almost done, but wait, let's draw one more thing. A carton of milk and a bowl of cereal. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw a milk carton crisp and fresh. See these curved lines? They make our drawing look even better. Hey, did you know, kids, milk cartons are made of paper, so we can recycle them after drinking to help protect our planet. Now, let's draw a bowl of cereal yum. And a spoon, because how else will we eat it? Oh, let's give our milk carton and cereal bowl some adorable faces. Now they look so happy. Wait, one more thing. Let's add a heart right here to show how much we love breakfast. Time to outline everything so it stands out. Coloring time. First, let's add some pink to their cute cheeks. Now, let's color red, light purple for this part. Dark green and green for the cereal. For the bowl and spoon, I'll use gray. And finally, let's color the heart bright red. Wow, you did an amazing job today. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.